Hi guys, so in this interesting episode, we're going to talk about how to verify failed payment, especially when you try to make a payment on the CAC portal and you were debited. You notice that the payment has not reflected on the portal. So all you need to do, go back to the portal and click on not submitted. So once you find the business registration you're working on, all you need to do is to click on check status, then allow the system to load. Okay? So this is just how to verify your payment after you've been debited. So, but in case if you try this, it has issues, you have to give it some time, okay? Especially towards late periods of the day, let's say in the night or preferably at midnight. Or you could come back and check on your dashboard, then click on verify status or check status of payment, okay? So you allow the system to load up, and as simple as that, this is how to fix failed payment verification on the CAC portal. Also, if you have tried this for days and it didn't work, then you need to consider contacting the CAC support or the CAC help center. So I'm going to attach a link to the video where we talked about all the possible ways you could contact CAC support. All right, so kindly visit the description section of this video to access that video and other related content. So I'm also going to attach the CAC business registration playlist where you access all videos related to business registration on our YouTube channel. Finally, I want to make an announcement for those of you who are taking the CAC business registration as a side hustle or something you want to take serious. I strongly recommend that you should buy the full course. Okay, also check the description section of this video. I'm going to tell you all the topics or everything this course is going to cover, like company registration, how to upgrade your business name to company, and also how to do annual filing and so much more, NGO registration and lots more. This course will really be beneficial to you. So kindly visit the description section to find the link on where you could buy this course. Currently, this course is being sold for 30,000 naira only, Nigerian naira. Okay, so make sure you hurry now and sign up before the prices go up. Alright guys, so I'm going to see you later. Kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.